Hello and welcome. Kamusta kayong lahat dito mga kapatid kong star viewers? So, ang reading natin ngayon is may mabilis ang mangyayari. Agad-agad itong mangyayari. Malapit na. So, tanungin natin kung kailan ba ito mangyayari kasi I'm very like, may magraragasa. Doon. Mabilis ito mangyayari. An instant. Magugulat ka na lang o magugulantang ka na lang sa pangyayaring ito. This could be a someone or an event, an invitation, or a person. So, alamin natin muna kung kailan ito mabilis ang mangyari. Speaking just kailan ito mangyari, itong darating sa ating mga collective. Kailan ito? Alright. We have here number 1. God, mabilisan talaga. Ngayon or bukas na. Or the first, it could be the first day of the month. No? Siguro sa March na, March 1. Iniisip ko pa talaga, anong buwan na ba ngayon? February. Alright, siguro may magta-travel. I'm hearing like may magta-travel. Siguro uwi ng Pinas o mapapa-uwi ng Pinas nang wala sa oras. Again, okay. I hope everything will be okay if ever na mapapa-uwi ka ng Pinas nang wala sa oras. Prayers for you na everything will be okay. No, whatever it is na ito mabilis ang mangyari, ingat-ingat kayo palagi mga kapatid. Whatever you guys are, manalangin kayo palagi. Alright? So, we have here 169 or this could be your angel number. Check nyo po ito. 169. Anong ibig sabihin ng 169? Or siguro, whenever you watch this reading, this is collective and timeless. So, anytime, this video could happen or mapanood itong video na ito ng 1 week, 1 year, ilang months, no? Or ilang taon. This is this meant to find you, this reading. Ito ay mangyayari sa iyo ng mabilisan. Agad-agad ito mangyayari. This could be happening right now, within 1 hour, 6 hours, 9 hours, 6 o'clock, 9 o'clock. Kasi meron tayong mabilisan eh. Hindi ito abutin ng months. Days lang ito or weeks or oras. Okay? So, someone here, very specific na mangyayari ito agad-agad. Alright? So, let's find out what is this all about. Our spirit can just, what is this all about? Itong mabilisang mangyari sa ating mga collective. What is this all about? Money, career, love life, ano ito? What is this all about? Itong mabilisang mangyari sa ating mga collective. Alright. I'm getting like, I need to get the big card. Nagsising inches sa akin. Alright, spirit can just, or there could be like an ending na mangyayari. Alright. I hope everything is okay. Parang kinakabahan ako habang nagre-reading dito. Siguro kinakabahan din kayo habang pinapanood ito. Guys, mag-pray lang tayo. Yun lang. Prayers is the key, no? Yeah. To keep us all safe. Alright. Whatever it is. Spirit angels, ano ito? Ano ito? Tungkol saan itong mabilis na mangyari sa ating mga collective? It could be an information, an event, ganap. Ano ito? Spirit angels, itong mabilis na mangyari sa ating mga collective. Let us know. Ang laki-laki naman kasi itong barahang ito. Alright, yes, my God. Oh my God. Alam nyo, kaya ako nagkaka-idea na mabilis ang mangyari kasi nalaglag o nag-flip itong barahang ito kanina pa lang. Kaya nagkakaroon ako ng idea na may mabilis ang mangyayari while I'm preparing this reading. Tapos, tinabi ko lang itong barang ito kasi I don't think nagagamitin ko ito. But then, habang binabanggit ko itong reading or itong nag-start ako sa reading dito, nagsising in sa akin na ito dapat ang gamitin ko. Then sa pag-shuffle ko, ito naman ang lumalabas. So, confirm talaga ito na may mabilisang mangyari. A person, an information, may magta-travel. Oh my God. Alamin pa natin kung tungkol saan itong the chariot. It could be an information, a person. Alright? Definitely, may magta-travel sa inyo dito. May mapapa-uwi. It could be mapapa-uwi or something na magta-travel, mapapabiyahe. May biyahe magaganap sa inyo. In an hour, information, may mabilis ang mangyari. Information, matatanggap yung text message, or ganap, agad-agad itong mangyayari. Kasi, confirm, the chariot, this is like a surprise. Magugulat ka or magugulantang ka dito sa surprise na ito. What is this all about? Let us know more. Spirit guardians, ano ba itong the chariot? Let us know about information. Ano to? The chariot, information. Let us know about this, the chariot. Okay, this could be, a lover, a stalker. May magre-reach out siguro sa inyo, mabilisan ito. May magpaparamdam o makipagbalikan. Okay? May stalker ka. Itong taong ito been stalking about you, this and that, and finally, this person is coming. Magkukonfess or something about na darating siya, magbabalik, magpaparamdam. Okay? This person wants you back. Gusto niya makipagbalikan sa'yo. And also, hindi lang sa relationship, a partnership, because the lovers also signifies partnership, relationship din, no? Yes. Pero malakas dito din, malakas dito is family member and your soulmate. Your soulmate is coming. If you're single, this person, no, this is that soon you will be meeting your soulmate or communicating with your soulmate soon. If this is about like a romance, darating siya, makipag-communicate sa'yo, or it will be a surprise na mag-reach out ang taong ito or magkita kayo somehow. Meron naman dito na this person's been watching you, stalking you. Okay? Or siguro may mag-reunite. Magkikitang muli. Alright? Siguro this could be your ex-partner. This person is coming back. It's, kung alam mo guys, kung bakit siya ibabalik, itong taong ito. It's because the universe, siguro pinipray mo siya, pinapanalangin mo itong taong ito, and this person's coming back. Darating siya. Or it could be like, wini-wish mo na sana ay magkakaroon ka ng karelasyon, darating na si Superman mo, yung superhero ng buhay mo, si Wonder Woman, whatever it is, it's coming. It's like prayer will be answered soon. An ex, a new person, your soulmate. Just take what resonates for you here because this is not a private reading. Ito ay para sa tao na makaka-relate dito sa reading na ito. Okay? So, this is meant for you to be reunite with this person. This could be a partnership about business or work related. Itong darating. And information, kung nag-apply ka ng trabaho, there will be a good news for you related sa finances mo sa trabaho. And again, malakas dito ang tulong ng Panginoon para sa iyo. So whatever reason it is, no, you are being guided, your prayer is being answered by the universe. Ito ay darating na itong hinihiling mo. A surprise. Agad-agad, no? Biglang magdarating ito. Siguro isang profession, trabaho, or ito ay related, no? Siguro partnership. Again, may magbabalik. It could be like related sa family. Family or, a family member na hindi na siguro ka nag-uusap. This person is coming back. Siguro it's time, no? Oras na sa iyo at ang iyong kaibigan or it could be like a ex-partner, ex-husband, ex-wife. It's time to reunite kasi meron itong magtatagpong muli or pinagtatagpo na kayo ni universe dahil oras na. This will be happening very quickly. Agad-agad. May mag-o-offer, there will be an offer. No, I'm hearing like a wealthy. Siguro may wealthy person na darating na makilala mo. It's up to you. It's up to you if you want to take this person back or it's up to you how to handle with this person. Okay? Because most likely here is like a soulmate connection. Yes. And the universe, it's like yung plano ni universe, it will be happening. Kasi piniplano ni universe, binibigay ni universe sa iyo ito para magtagpo kayo ng soulmate mo o mag-reunite kayo ng close friend mo noon na biglang nag-cut off ang inyong sitwasyon or relationship. It could be your ex-spouse, ex-friendship, ex-family member, and soulmate is coming back or coming in. Alright? Ano pa? Okay. So, meron ito magta-travel, no? This could be you traveling, mapapa-uwi because of this family member. Or meron siguro kung ikaw ay magta-travel, you will be meeting this person during your travel. Or baka mapapa-uwi ka because of this person. Yung iba dito sa inyo. So, alamin natin kung itong taong darating or itong something na darating, meron kasi ditong mix eh. Love, family, ex-friend, a soulmate, ex-relationship, ka-ex ninyo na, stalker, and again, this person's coming back. May darating, may magta-travel biglaan. This could be related na makapag-travel ka, makakauwi ka dahil sa taong ito, a family member or sa partner ninyo, or makaka-travel ka to meet this, or during sa travel mo ay ma-meet mo itong taong ito, itong soulmate mo, because this is like a divinely guided for you and this person, you know, na mag-reunite, na magkitang muli. Alright? And also, this could be also related sa isang it could be work, no, partnership sa trabaho, and magbo-boom itong, it could be negosyo or sa iyong sitwasyon sa pag-aaral, whatever it is. There will be like a partnership, may magkakaroon ng partnership dito very soon. It's like a soulmate, it's like a soul, divinely soul guided from the universe. Okay, yeah, whatever you are manifesting, it's happening. All right, and you guys are very protective. You have an angel guide been watching you, protecting you. So as long as you always do, okay, dapat talaga malinis ang inyong konsyensya, wala tayong inaapakan kahit sino man, and always, no, lagi kayong makipagkumbaba. No? So, wag niyong pansinin yung mga bitterness ng mga tao sa paligid ninyo. Alright? Dahil si universe lang ang nakakaalam sa mga ginagawa ninyo, and si universe lang ang magbibigay ng judgment para sa inyo as sa taong gumagawa ng hindi maganda sa inyo, because you guys are always protected. Alright? So, ano pa? Okay. So, ingat-ingat sa mga, I'm also getting like, mag-ingat guys sa mga magsisinungaling sa inyo or manguuto, sa mga scammer. Mag-ingat-ingat sa mga offer dyan ha. Kung may mag-offer sa inyo ng biglaan, mga magsisinungaling, pakiramdaman ninyo itong mga red flag. Okay? Kasi it's not because this is like coming na in a positive way, no? Marami naman talaga dito is positibo ang darating sa inyo because you guys are being guided. But then again, mag-ingat-ingat din sa darating na mga scammer o mga magsisinungaling. Alright? Especially if this is like you're related sa yung ex. Kasi I'm also getting like, it's divinely guided. It's because, sabihin natin na, because there's something, a lesson for you to learn, or this person na matutunan sa inyo. Okay? So, yeah. That's the energy that I'm getting. Kaya oras na, no, na magkaroon kayo ng communication ng taong ito, o magkabalikan, friendship, or it could be business related, no, offer. Kung may mag-offer sa inyo ng business, something about opportunity, make sure i-check nyo yung mga background ha, para hindi kayo ma-scam. Alright? That's also the warning about this happening, no? Ito mga offer na mga business proposal or work, something like that. So mag-ingat-ingat. Kailangan talaga na siguraduhin na hindi kayo ma-scam. Alright? So, okay. Itong darating, if this is about love-related, spiritual angels, itong sa love-related, ano ang intensyon ng taong ito sa ating mga collective? Anong intensyon niya sa ating mga collective? Anong intensyon niya? Okay, Knight of Swords. Okay, maybe this person is coming back is to, siguro nag-away kayo noon, and kailangan ng closure, clarity, and yeah, para bang may isusumbat pa. Para saan pa at makipagbalikan kung magnunumbat pa. But then again, you need to handle the situation with care, no? Hindi nyo kailangan na magsuntukan pa, magsapakan pa. You know, so again, this person is coming in siguro dahil to confront you, o kung ano ang nagawa niyang mali, kung mapapatawaran or ang tawag doon, mabigyan mo pa ba siya ng chance. But again, it's up to you. No, so do not let this person coming back to you if this person still anger or mad at you. Kung galit pa rin siya, kung may mga negatibo pa rin sa puso niya, hindi pa siya totally na nakapag-move on sa mga masalimuot na sitwasyon, whatever it is, do not let this person to come back in. Or siguro closure na lang, ano, like again, avoid the situation na mahantong sa away o sa gulo itong sitwasyon ito, itong confrontation, because this person really wants to confront you, no? So ingat-ingat. Lalo-lalo sa mga scammer. Malakas talaga mga scammer dito. Siguro magbabalik, ay sabihin natin na ex-family member, magbabalik, tapos, sasaktan ka lang din pala, may masamang intensyon, o siguro mangutang, and then, something like that. Aawayin ka lang din. Alright. Ganun talaga, no? Hihingi lang ng tulong, tapos pagka nahindian mo lang, nagagalit na. Wow. Edi wow, ikaw na. Alright, so, Three of Cups, there will be like a strong bond between you and this person. Ito magbabalik, no? Even if this is a lover, a soulmate, no? There will be a soulmate na you guys can start, no, starting from the beginning, a friendship muna. And then kilalanin mo muna itong taong ito and feel this person because you guys have this good chemistry. All right? Yeah, most likely is strong friendship, no? When you see or be together with this person, reunite. Maybe magkita kayo sa party, sa isang reunion. Again, this could be the sign na siya na o itong bigla ang darating, no? Or maybe there will be a invitation or party na mag-invite sa inyo biglaan, and you'll be going to this occasion, itong family gathering, celebration. There will be celebration to happen soon. 1 day from now, or the first day of the month, 6 days, 9 days, or siguro it's gonna happen within 1 o'clock, 6 o'clock, or 9 o'clock also. Okay? So, mabilisan ito, guys, whenever you watch this reading. So, ano pa? Anong intensyon ng taong darating sa ating collective? So, 5 of Wands. Oh my God. These people talk about you. So, maybe you will be getting yung iba dito sa inyo. Makipagkaibigan lang, or makipag-associate sa iyo, makikipag-close. And then, yun pala, ikaw pala ang usap-usapan ng mga chismosang ito, mga marites. Minamarites ka lang ng mga taong ito. Guys, mag-ingat-ingat kayo kung mag-attend kayo ng mga party, and whatever situation, no? May ganun talaga no, mga nagmamask, hindi totoo sa inyo. Akala ay magandang intention, yun pala ay lang. Ikaw lang pala ang pinag-uusapan. And most of them, like, pinag-uusapan kanila, it's because you guys are very, siguro lately hindi ka nakipaghalubilo sa kanila, naging secluded ka, or a loner. It's because you know that these people don't have a good intention towards you. Mag-iimbita-imbita sa'yo, ganito, ganyan, and then yun pala, isisirain ka lang pala, no? And these people talk about you, like again, someone's intention is, someone is going to offer you with love. Kaya kanyang buhayin. This could be like a marriage again. There will be a marriage, connection. There will be a connection between you and between the two of you with this person. Love situation is coming very soon. Yeah, there will be like a romantic. Lalong-lalo na this video is taken during this month of February. Your person will be very romantic, or may mag-reach out sa inyo na napaka-romantic. Meron itong magagalit-galitan, yun pala ay may gusto lang pala sa inyo. Ba't ba dadaan pa sa galit-galitan, yun pala ay lang, makikipag-date lang. Ano ba yan? Napaka-childish, ano? Yung sabihin na, wala sa mood, yung lang yung mukha niya. Parang, like again, galit-galitan ng mood, and then, maya-maya sabihin na, anong gusto mo? Manood tayo ng sine? Kain tayo sa labas? Ay, nako, dadaan pa sa away, no? Ay, nako, may mga tao talaga sigurong ganun, no, sa relationship. Alright, maybe some people are not good in communication. They don't know how to communicate or to invite you when it comes to romantic feelings. Alright, so there will be an ending. I'm getting like there will be an ending. Alamin natin kung saan itong mag-end. Itong mabilisang mag-end. Ano itong ending, Spirit Guardians? Mangyari agad-agad sa ating mga collective. Ano itong ending na mangyari agad-agad sa ating mga collective? Ending. Okay. Oh, 8 of Wands. Okay, there will be like a dilubyo. Okay, siguro may mapapauwi dahil sa dilubyo or bagyo. Guys, mag-ingat-ingat kayo sa mga magta-travel. Always pray, manalangin kayo palagi. And yes, I'm getting like some you guys might baka mapapauwi kayo biglaan dahil sa isang sitwasyon na darating, no? Parang bang gulo. Okay. I'm not trying to scare you, no? This is collective. So, I'm trying my best, guys, na makuha ko lahat ng mga reading na darating agad-agad para sa inyo. Alright. So, someone might gonna travel because of this, baka may masirang bahay, or siguro sa trabaho magkakagulo-gulo and mapapauwi. I don't know what is this all about. So, kayo lang nakakaalam. Kasi meron itong mapapauwi or siguro sa pag-uwi mo ay may magkakagulo, no? Okay, siguro magkakagulo dahil it could be sa love, maybe may love triangle. Baka pag-uwi mo, kung ikaw itong pag-uwi mo, sabi nito natin, no, pag-uwi mo, baka may iba pa lang ang partner mo, baka makita ka or anong tawag nito? You will be finding out your person with someone else, something like that, at magkakagulo. So, this is very specific, ano. And, yeah, someone is traveling here. You will be getting an offer to travel very soon, no? Okay. And meron naman dito na may mag-o-offer sa inyo ng good opportunity, biglaan ito, no? Or siguro may compliment sa inyo. This could be sa work-related, sa school, or I'm also getting like, it's like, compliment for you na, wow, ang ganda-ganda mo. Wow, alam mo, ang gusto kita. It's like something na magugulat ka. May magko-compliment sa inyo. May mag-o-offer sa inyo dahil you deserve this. Siguro sa school, o sa suot mo, sa looks mo, baka bigla kang gumaganda, or whatever you do. Siguro sa party, ay iko-compliment ka ng mga tao sa paligid mo. And, like again, yung iba dito is, especially kung makikipag-party ka, no, if you have this people around you, alam mo na ikaw lang pag-uusapan, it's because you guys are better than these people. Hindi mo naman kailangan na makipag-comparison sa taong ito, na makipag-paligsahan, because you know what's best for you, you know who you are. You don't have to go to this party. Kasi meron naman dito na bigla ang pangyari, itong party na ito, itong celebration. Baka magulat ka na may mga chismis minamarites sa inyo. And you know what? Even if you receive this mga marites sa inyo, mga kapatid, let it go. You know, just do not take it, you know, sa puso. Huwag ninyong isa puso itong mga negatibong bagay, itong mga chismis tungkol sa inyo, because you know what's best for you and you know who you are. And just pray that the universe will never leave you behind and always protect you away from these toxic people or toxic relationship or this situation, no? So, advice na tayo from the universe. Anong dapat mong malaman at this moment? Spirit Guardians, ano ang dapat malaman ng ating mga collective at this moment? Okay, we have here, your ancestors have a message for you. Maybe this is a message from your ancestors na darating na itong minamanifest mo. No, malapit na mangyari. Okay, ano pa, Spirit Guardians? Ano pa? Para sa ating mga collective, special message o dapat nilang malaman? Get ready. So, mag-ready ka na. Meron itong mag-ready at mag-impake ka na dahil ikay makakauwi na, makapag-celebrate na, or mag-reunite ka na ng soulmate mo, or makipagbalik ka na sa iyong close friend, or ex-partner, or maging mabuo na ang iyong pamilya, no? Or itong pinapangarap ninyo. Someone wants to be near you. You're doing good. Okay? So, the universe or your ancestors telling you, you are doing good. Okay ka naman. You are on the right path. Alright? Stay connected, manalangin palagi. And the bottom is, do what's best thing to do. So again, alam mo kung anong mas dapat or tamang gawin. No? Huwag nyo hayaan na to be clouded with this negative energy, itong mga tao, no? Especially sa mga emosyon ninyo, mga kapatid, kailangan meditate kayo palagi, manalangin, and para naman matanggal itong mga blockages, itong mga overthinking, no, sa inyong sarili, or itong mga sitwasyon or emosyon ninyo. Do not let these emotions na bigla kayong mahila pababa, and it might gonna ruin your situation, your relationship, you know. Kaya siguro bigla itong mangyayari, yung iba sa inyo dito, manalangin palagi na hindi kayo madala ng mga negatibong energy, ang inyong emosyon na naway makontrol ninyo palagi. Alright, so relax lang kayo guys, huwag kayo agad-agad magalit pagka magkatanggap kayo ng mga marites, or may maghanap ng away, manggugulo, manalangin, and stay away from this energy, no, itong mga pangyaring ito, itong mga tao. Alright, so I love you guys. I hope nag-enjoy kayo sa reading na ito. Ingat-ingat kayo palagi, and leave you comment below, at maraming salamat po sa palagiang pagtangkilik ninyo dito sa aking YouTube channel, and shout out sa aking mga subscribers dito sa aking YouTube channel, The Star Talking Tarot. Maraming salamat po dahil andyan kayo palagi. Hindi po ito magpapatuloy kung wala kayo dito. Alright? Dahil sa inyo, lagi akong nagre-reading para mas na ma-reveal natin yung mga mensahe ni universe para sa inyo because you guys deserve this. Again, sinishare ko sa inyo kung anong binigay sa akin ni universe na psychic ability. And I know you guys need this as your messenger, no? Ang inyong earth angel, ang inyong messenger dito sa mundong ito na you deserve this message from the universe, a guidance. Alright? So I love you guys. Sana nag-enjoy kayo. Mag-ingat kayo palagi and I hope to see you guys in the next reading. Bye. Thank you.